Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today I have a Singleswag unboxing. It did get the damage like a lot of my boxes. I don't know if the mail people are just overloaded with packages and they're just trying to get them off their truck. But yeah, this one just got beat up and hopefully nothing's broken. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. I don't know how you found me, but I'm glad you did. And if you're not subscribed to my channel and you like this content after you watch the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so you get notified of my future videos, and a thumbs up if you like it. And of course, if you're returning, hugs and kisses, you know how much I appreciate you watching my videos. So let's get into it. Now, Singleswags, don't let the name deter you. It's not just for single people. It's for any woman. It's a great lifestyle box. It's got a little bit of this and a little bit of that in there. So you can win your next box. What they do is if you take a nice picture of your box and you submit it to their hashtag and they draw your name, you got your next box. And they have all sorts of discount codes. You can get sometimes 35% off, 40% off. I think I bought a 3-month subscription with 40% off. And then everything is on the back of this card with what's in here. Comes wrapped very nice. So hopefully all my goodies are protected. I hope you guys are having a great week. I know the big thing is getting the kids back to school. I don't know how you feel about getting your kids back to school. Of course, mine are grown, so I don't have to worry about that. So I know it's got to be a hard choice for parents that have younger kids that are in school. So let's get into the box. We have this pretty pink item. Not sure what's in here. Still not sure what's in here. Is it a necklace? It's necklace and earring set. I tell myself I'm gonna cheat, and the reason I'm gonna cheat and look at other YouTubers' videos is so I know what's in here and I don't have this surprised look on my face. But I didn't cheat. So it appears to be a necklace and earring set. Now, it's not my style. I don't dress up, you know, I don't work, so it's not like I wear nice tops or dresses to work. If I did, I might try to go out of my comfort zone and wear this. I don't wear little earrings, so I would not even try the earrings. But I do think if I dressed up and had the right, maybe a crisscross kind of dress, this would actually be very pretty. So I kind of like this, but I would have nowhere to wear it. And I am putting together my 4,500 subscriber giveaway. I'm not sure when I'll get there, but I might put that in there. So let me know if you would like to see this in a giveaway, because I honestly think it's really nice. And that is, let's see. Of course, it'll be the last thing. It's the Skye Tassel long necklace and earring set. Make a statement. It definitely does. And it retails for $62. One thing I can say about some of these subscription boxes, the retail price sometimes is a little high. Because if I was walking through a store, I don't think I would pay $62 for that. The next thing is they always put a food item in here. And it is the Marshmallow Rice Treats Smash Crispy Mint Chocolate Chip. That's what it looks like. This is definitely a keeper. It will be gone. So no giveaway for that. The next item is a Loofa soap. A K-berry extract fragrance Loofa soap. I opened a box, I can't remember what box it was, and it had a Loofa soap in there, and I said I'd never heard of it before, and now here I got another one. And it definitely smells delicious, and this is the Sunday Rain Invigorated Loofa soap. This 2-in-1 product combining a soap and a loofah is a bath time game changer, allowing you to enjoy a spa-worthy scrub anytime your skin needs a wake-up call. And this is $8. Oh, that smells so good. Okay. So that is a keeper. And this is Floor & Bee Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. And a lot of our beauty boxes include an eye cream because I think that's the first to show age. So there is nothing wrong with getting an eye cream. Oh, look at the packaging. I'm not going to open it because we don't want to expose it, but it is beautiful packaging, and I just started using a new eye cream, so I won't be using this for a while, but I do appreciate a good eye cream in a box. And let's see. Eyes Baby is $22. It's an all-natural moisturizing eye cream. Works to soften the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Dermatologist tested, vegan and cruelty-free. Do like that. Okay. The next item, inflatable unicorn cup holders. I have what are the flamingo cup holders, so now they have friends. They're a set of 2 inflatable cup holders. So I do like these. I'm not going to blow them up right now or I'll fall flat on the floor, but that's what they look like, and how adorable are those. And let's see where these are. The unicorn drink holder set of 2 retail for $18, and you can take them to the beach, and I'm going to pack these to go to Washington because we can definitely put these on the boat. So I do like those. See, this box just isn't for singles, it's for people that want to have fun. And the next item, oh, time it is, Sherlock Holmes time. It is Cucina and Barista Vanilla Bean Latte Luxury Foot Cream. Doesn't that sound good? And I do love a good foot cream. I use feet masks all the time, so there's nothing better than a good foot cream. So I do like that. I'm really liking this box this month. So the foot cream retails for $22. It relieves dry, cracked skin while locking in moisturizer. So that is awesome. And then we have Cherry and Snow. Snow Mushroom Lip and Cheek Highlighting Cream. Oh, I don't think I've ever heard of that. Cherry and Snow. Wow. Look at that color. So I guess you can put it on your lips and on your cheeks. So I know where this is gonna go. So that's really nice. And that retails for $18. It's a multitasking and iridescent, thought it said indecent. Iridescent cream highlighter. Melts onto your skin, keeping it moisturized while giving you an intense, pearlized glow. Sweet cherry extracts. So this is really nice. This is really a great box this month. And there's one more item in here. And it looks like a little handbag. I'm getting so prepared. Now I have scissors. It almost looks like it's a copper color. I just have to make sure that I don't damage the merchandise. So nothing got damaged in the box. So that's good. Wow, look at this. Can you see it's like a copper color? I'm not sure if it's a makeup bag. It looks like it's a makeup bag. It's by Sienna. But what an awesome makeup bag. Of course it's stuffed. And it's empty. It's like, I don't know, plastic. But this is a great little makeup bag. And let's read up on that. I'm really liking this box. And this is the Sienna Nora zipper pouch. Way more than just a cosmetic bag. The sleek, travel-friendly pouch with a tassel zipper will keep your everyday essentials safe and secure. It says it retails for $48. And again, I kind of think it's a little overpriced, but I do like it. And it would probably wipe clean really quick. So we got this makeup bag and this scrubber soap, the foot cream, the lips and cheek tint, the eye cream, the jewelry, and I love my unicorns. And this box retails for $39.99. I believe it'll be across there. And the one I'm not going to share, but if you order it, the longer you order it, you can get a discount. But again, there's 35%, 40%. I will see if I can find a link and leave it below. But you get like a 3-month and it comes out to like maybe $20-something a month. And as I said, this was a great month and it didn't even get damaged. So please comment below, please thumbs up and subscribe, and you guys have an awesome day.